Dear students, now it is the time to solve self-assessment 1 of class 5. We should come to the questions. Number 1. Answer these questions. How many stars are there in the sky? There are hundreds of stars in the sky. B. What did King Rajendra want when he grew old? Answer. King Rajendra wanted to make his son the future king of the state when he grew old. C. Where did men spend their nights in ancient time? Answer. Men spent their night in caves or on trees in ancient time. D. What did Harsita's mother prepare for the dinner? Answer. Harsita's mother prepared chapati, mixed vegetables and lady's finger for the dinner. E. Who wrote the poem I Float My Paper Boats? Answer is Rabindranath Tagore wrote the poem I Float My Paper Boats. Next question, question number 2. Who said to whom? A. What will I do with these puppets? Answer. Prince said to Rajguru. B. Pass this string through the puppets. Answer. Rajguru said to Prince. C. Dinner is ready. Answer. Mother said to Harsita. Do you want me to feed you? Answer. Aunt said to Harsita. You can also write Aunt Resam said to Harsita or Resam said to Harsita. Aunt cooks very tasty food. Answer. Harsita said to mother. Question number 3. Write true or false. There are some questions here to write true or false. Rajguru cursed the prince for his mistake. It is false. In ancient time, men's needs were very less. True. The more they get, the more they want. True. 2 more questions are here. D. Harsita sat beside her mother. False. E. The child hopes that someone will get his boats. True. And question number 4, which is the last question of self-assessment 1. Fill in the blanks. Hundreds of dash sing. Answer is birds. Hundreds of birds sing. Dash was King Rajendra's son. Answer. Himanshu was King Rajendra's son. The dash became the most popular medium of exchange. Answer. Coin. The coin became the most popular medium of exchange. Many dash had come for the birthday party. Answer. Guests. Many guests had come for the birthday party. The name of Harsita's father was dash. Answer. Mr. Raj. The name of Harsita's father was Mr. Raj. Today we solved the self-assessment 1 of class 5. As you know, this self-assessment is based on the 5 chapters that you have read from chapter number 1 to chapter number 5. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.